let's go over like the next meaning of over. Okay, here over means, over with numbers. Let's see how do we use it with numbers. Here over means more than something. Okay, kind of like more than something, more than a number. Let's say over 100 people. That means simply more than 100 people. Okay, over 10 kilos means over 10 kilos, so more than 10 kilos. That's what it means. Over the age limit. Okay, over the speed limit. This is how we use over, like more than. It simply means more than. You can use it with like you can yourself make other sentences with it meaning more than. Okay, another, okay, okay, another meaning of over. Okay, we also use over like over and over, like together, two overs here with and in the middle. Over and over means again and again, like meaning like many times. Okay, example sentence would be like, I have told you over and over not to do that. It could be anything. I'm just you know, it's a simple sentence. Hope you understand it. Okay, just simply means again and again, like many times. Okay, I'm gonna say it like this. I've told you again and again not to do that. Like, I've told you this many times not to do this. Simply put over and over there. You know, like, don't do that. I've told you over and over. Okay, that's how. Okay, let's go over another meaning of it. Okay, over means here. Over means finished. Over means done. It's like it has ended. Okay, we have come to the end of something. Okay, like done. Okay, my work is over now, so now it's your turn. Whatever work I was doing, it's over. I have completed the work and it's finished. It's over. And now it's your time to do whatever you are supposed to do. That's how we use it. Okay, finished, just like over. The film is over. Kind of like something that's over. Like it's done. It ends. When something ends, you can use over there. Okay. When something completely ends, okay, you use over. Kind of like the party's over now. Okay. Okay, another meaning of over. Let's see. Over means too much here. Okay, like overpriced means very expensive, not just like not little expensive, it's very expensive. Okay, when you put over before the price. Okay. And overreacting means a person is like not like too much acting. There is too much acting in it, not just normal acting. They probably overacted, and that's how we use overacted. That's how. Okay, all the meanings are over. Oh my God, I used it here. Like all the meanings are over means all the meanings are like all the meanings have ended or something. Okay, it's over means it's done. Meanings are over. That's how. And the video is about to be over. It's coming. That means it's coming to an end. The video is over. Like my explanation about using over is over. Okay. And also, guys, if you have liked everything that I have explained here about over, please subscribe to my channel. And also, if you have any questions, ask me in the comments section down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Thank you. See you in the next video.